What's up, everyone? So I want to show you the Gleason's map. This is a revolutionary map. It's an honest projection that shows the world as it truly is. No distortion, no lies, no NASA trickery, just pure unfiltered truth. Except for that it breaks the moment you look into it and actually try to use it for anything useful. Today we're going to use two things flat earthers fear most: the sun and basic geometry. So let's be clear. Flat earthers use the Gleason's map constantly. I only had to scroll down a little bit for this variation of the Gleason's map. But let's go ahead and test it. We're just going to type flat earth into here and see. It's hard to tell who is and isn't, but there we go. Flat earth reality. They have a Gleason's map. Let's go users and see. Flat earth reality, Gleason's map modification or variation there. Flat earth Antarctica, Gleason's map variation. The earth is flat. What else? We've got flat earth 0007. Again, Gleason's map is his profile picture. So then this one has the stuff beyond the ice walls that has a variation of the Gleason's map inside, and then some other stuff. That's just here on TikTok. Then we got people like Flat Earth Dave, who has he's pitching his app constantly that uses a Gleason's map. And then he's using the Gleason's map here to prove something. Then if we go to Rumble, I just typed in Flat Earth map. We've got this guy, 7 Clubs or whatever his name is, using that. We've got Autopilot Computers by this Flat Earth thing using a Gleason's map. This guy's same guy, OP Freedom, talking about the Gleason's map. Flat Earth map revealed by Gene Decode. That's got the Gleason's map inside and then other lands. And then Flat Earth University here, Gleason's map. So no matter where we go, they seem to use the Gleason's map or a slight variation of it for everything. Never mind that it's literally labeled projection. So majority of flat earthers have adopted this as the true model of Earth, or as close as they can get. So let's test it. No CGI or satellites, just the sun, and anyone can verify this themselves. So on December 21st, that's the winter solstice, the sun is directly over the Tropic of Capricorn. You can see it here, Tropic of Capricorn, 23.5 degrees south. So that green line. Now I picked two cities, one far north, this Oulu, Finland, way up here, and one really far south, Cape Town, South Africa, way down here. So we can kind of see that difference. Cape Town there, Oulu is about right there. These two cities are nearly aligned on the latitude line. They're just a little bit off, but opposite ends of the hemispheres, north and south, so close enough. So I used dateandtime.com and pulled up December 21st. This is for Oulu. We've got sunrise at 10:29, sunset at 2:03. So we're going to chart it. In Oulu, December 21st, 10:29. The sun is just off the coast of Madagascar. Then on the same date, same place, at 2:03 p.m., the sun is over here off the coast of Namibia, something like that. I'm going to mispronounce that. And as we can see here, it has just about 3.5 hours of, this is eyes on the sun. This isn't twilight or dawn or dusk. This is eyes on the sun. Then I looked at Cape Town, South Africa. Same date, December 21st. We have sunrise at 5:23, sunset at 7:57. So the same thing, we come down here at Cape Town, December 21st, 5:23. It's over Australia, kind of right between the Northern Territory and Western Australia. Then we have the same date, same place, sunset, off the coast of kind of Chile and Peru here. Now let's visualize this. So here is Oulu, Finland, and then we have our sunrise and our sunset. So we know for a fact, if somebody was on a boat here, they could measure the sun 90 degrees directly above their head at that time. And here, same thing. Then we have Cape Town, South Africa. Sunrise, way over here. Same thing. Someone in the Northern Territory or Western Australia could go outside and look directly up and see it, the sun's ground position directly above their head. You could get in a boat, come out here. Same thing. Look straight up, verify that the sun is there, or the people here could verify, like, yeah, it's about an hour after high noon or solar noon. And South Africa down here. Now here's the weird part. When we chart these at the same time, so somehow Finland only sees the sun when it is between here and here, eyes on the sun. Yet South Africa, eyes on the sun, Cape Town, sees it when it's here and here. Now, I'd love for any flat earther to tell me why Finland cannot see the sun when it is here and here, only sees it when it's down by Madagascar or off the coast of Africa here. Yet South Africa sees the sun all the time when it's here and here. Now, we're going to just do this to measure. So that's the distance, right? So let's move that. Somehow, they are seeing that much farther than Finland and seeing the sun. That makes zero sense on a flat Earth. So now let's compare it to the globe. The globe we know and love. So that Oulu, Finland is right here. Right? It's right there on the coast. And we can see Cape Town's in the sun. Cape Town's still in the sun. It's been in the sun for a while. And let's rotate this a little bit to get, so there's Finland. Oh, bam, eyes on the sun, eyes off the sun, right? Now the sun has set for them. Yet Cape Town, it's pretty much midday. And that it's just afternoon. So we can kind of do this and compare. So the sun's like right here. And we can compare that when we look at reality. The sun has set for Oulu, Finland, and it is right there. That is its ground position. And looking at this and taking half of that, we can tell that the sun's ground position is about right here. So there we have it. When tested with dates, times, sunrise, sunset, all that fun stuff, it looks like the globe matches reality and the Gleason's map fails horribly. So, Gleason map debunked. If there's anybody out there that wants to debunk me, by all means, please do. I would love to see you prove how this works on a Gleason's map. How does Finland only see the sun from here to here, but Cape Town, South Africa sees the sun? This is eyes on the sun, not a bouncy light off of the dome. Eyes on the sun this entire time. Thank you. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe. If not, give it a thumbs down if you didn't like it. I don't really care. But we'll catch you in the next debunk.